Hi everyone, Jialan Package here. Today we would like to share with you our experience in doing the measurement of each boxes. As we all know that sizes of the packaging are very important in our packaging industry. The first thing is because during the transportation, you always have to know your shipping cost, your warehouse cost. So that's why it's important to correctly do the measurement of each packaging. First, we need to do the outer package. The first step is to do the width, the length this way, and then the depth this way. Sometimes we call it the height for the vertical boxes. This is the outer box, the outer measurement of a package. And also, there is also another very important sizes, which is the inside measurement, because the boxes sometimes they comes with the padding, and you need to measure the padding, which is the inside measurement, and you do it like this: the width, the length, and then the depth, like that. The reason why the inner measurement is important is because it has something to do with your product, whether your product will fit inside the box, and whether during the transportation and the product inside will move around or not. It's the same way, well, when it comes to the vertical box measurement, because the width will be measured from here, and then the length will be measured from here, and then the depth or the height will be measured from here. This is the outer measurement of these boxes. And again, each box has a padding. So it's also very important to do the inside measurement. The inside measurement, the width will be like this, the length will be like this, and then the depth, you need to measure the length, the width of the padding, and then divided the padding, and then you got the inside measurement. And then another thing which is important is that sometimes we need to know the volume of each boxes that takes up in the boxes. If you want to work out a volume of each boxes, you just simply multiply the length, the width, and the depth, and then you got the CBM, which is the total volume of each package. This is all very important. I hope you will learn something from this, and this will be helpful for your warehouse costing or for your product designing. So that's all for today's sharing, and see you guys next time. Bye.